Hello my YouTube friends, I am again here to show you a very useful things of this modern era. We all know recording is an important thing, especially the recording of video of our daily life and especially when we off the road or on the road in motion. And for this, the company has introduced a 4K camera which can capture our live picture very clearly, even give us a very essential thing minute by minute. Let's start. Firstly, I am going to unpack this which has come from the courier company. You can see the packet before and I am getting it. Here is the packet. It is from Flipkart, a Indian company, a Indian courier company, and here is the sticker. All of it's here. You can see this, and I am going to cut this with my knife, and I am cutting, and it is cut already. And now my focus is to open the instrument in it. I am cutting this. It is a 4K camera from Noise, and in the packet you can see the details about it, and you should take the ardent care about it when to unpack this type of packet, and I am doing so. And here is the bill, my billing address and the price. You can see the price. Price is very affordable, and you can take this, and here this packet, and the paper is to protect it from outer edges, and you can see this, it is from Noise and 4K motion camera here, and all the essentials and uses are typed here. See, it is water resistant to 30 m, and it is a nice play camera. You can see this. You can put this type of camera on your helmet or before your bonnet and even behind your car to record video. And here the company direction it. See here, you can remove the sticker to get more details about it. Here this is, see, the UV person and others peripherals are here. Its descriptions are here, and here are the how to install this type of camera and this instruction, and obviously I'll show you before the installation, up to before installation, and the things in this packet. Only the things in this packet will be shown, and now I am going to unpack it. Obviously unpack the main packet and main plastic here, and I am removing it, and it has already removed actually. You can see the main packet is here without any cover. The barcode is here. You can check it from barcode. See, color is here. It is black, and I am bringing out the main thing here, the small size camera, 4K camera. Though it is small, but it is very powerful, and we all know about its use and its variousness and variety of use in the practical field in this modern world. And I am bringing this. This is the camera. This is the camera, the outer part here, and the camera. It's very little, and this is the thing to hold the camera. This is the thing to screw the camera, and this is the thing to screw it off apart, and here it is, and protect from outer edges, this type of plastic, and put the back, and here it is, and the cord for charging here the pin for tightening, and here it is the stripes to bring here and there, and here the cards and the warranty card and a manual from Noise. The main picture is here, and here you can see all this here. There's a warranty info. I am see this warranty info. Go Noise, and the main camera. I am going to show the main camera. Here is the main camera. You can see Noise Play, and here is the display. You can see all the things from display. It is fine, my friend, and you can see here this is. Then you can print. It is finally done, and here, bye bye.